Hello guys, welcome back to the YouCam Perfect Editing Hack Series. I'm today's host, Holly. If you want to become a photo editing pro, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on all of the notifications. Newspapers are a great material to bring out the nostalgic feel. I'll show you a few tricks using YouCam Perfect to make the magic happen. Let's get right into it. First, we are going to choose a background so you can have newspaper or a magazine page as the background to make it even stylish. So we are going to add a photo on top of yourself and click Add Photo, import your portrait, and we are going to use this cutout tool. And always remember with the cutout, there is a Smart Detect function that you should always use because it's super convenient and it will cut it out for you automatically. So once you have your portrait, we can go ahead and clone it to make the shadow of yourself. And we are going to go and adjust the exposure, pull it all the way down, and we are going to adjust the brightness also. Next, we are going to go to opacity and make it a little transparent like a real shadow. And we are going to place it right behind myself like this. And we are going to pull my portrait to the top layer. Now we are going to select the top image, click on the eraser and zoom in, and go ahead and erase the lenses to make it look transparent. And we are going to do the same for the bottom image. So zoom in, erase part of the lenses, and there you go. All right, to make it even cooler, you can add some more photos from your photo album. So I'm going to go ahead, click plus, add photo. You can have a newspaper headline or you can add stars, and it's looking pretty cool. Or if you want it to look even fancier, we have a grid animation effect that you should actually try. So we are going to go ahead and add animation. So save changes, go to animation, and click into the effects, and scroll through it until you find this grid animation, and look at all the colors pop right back at you. So once you're happy with that, save it, export it, and there you go. You have a super cool photo with a grid animation effect. So what's this still doing on your phone? Upload this onto Instagram right now. Girl, you are totally a chic looking cover star. Use the link down below in the description box and download the app if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave your comments down below to let me know what you want to learn next. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.